How to promote and sell NFTs on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can promote and sell your NFTs with the help of twitter.com. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will require a Twitter account for that, and what you have to do is you simply create your own account with Twitter. That's it. And if you do not have any idea, Twitter is an amazing social media platform that allows you to tweet, and you can actually tweet about anything. When it comes to crypto, when it comes to NFT, we know that Twitter has its own role in it, and all of the famous traders, all of the famous creators are found on Twitter. And nowadays, whenever it comes to creating your own NFT collection, Twitter is an important part of it, and I will show you how these different famous collections promote their NFTs through Twitter, and how you can do that, and how Twitter helps you promote and sell your NFTs. So right now I am on OpenSea.io. OpenSea is world's first and largest NFT marketplace with all of the famous collections right here on OpenSea. So what's better than the most famous collections out there to check out that how they do their promotion and how they are promoting their NFTs. So what I am going to do now is I will open up any of the NFT and we'll actually check it out. So let's open up CryptoPunks right here. And then I'm gonna also open up the Invisible Friends, and let's open up Boyd App Yacht. So I'm gonna open these three collections right here, and then I'll show you how these three collections are doing their promotion and how they're doing it through twitter.com. So I have opened up this collection right here, which is known as CryptoPunks. Now, you might have heard about CryptoPunks. CryptoPunks is one of the very famous collections on OpenSea, and it is really famous. The floor price right now is above 70 Ethereum, and we have items 10k. So whenever you open up any collection on OpenSea or any other platform, you will find some of the links right here. We have website, Discord, and then we find Twitter. Let's open up the Twitter for CryptoPunks. Similarly, we have a collection which is a very new collection, Invisible Friends. Great collection with a huge potential to explode, and it has a great art. Invisible Friends, you can see right here. I really like Invisible Friends. So what happens is this is a very famous collection, right? And this is actually one of the collection that is doing the promotion right now, and I came across this collection on Twitter. I actually checked out their Twitter before their launch, and then I was updated about it, and I really like their look as well. So even right here you will be able to find their Twitter. So I will be able to open up their Twitter from here. You can see right here they have linked their Twitter. So let's open it up. So this is the Twitter for Larva Labs, which is creators of the CryptoPunks. So what happens is you can see right here they have their own Twitter. How Twitter helps us to promote our NFTs and how it helps us sell our NFTs. So what happens is the most important thing that Twitter helps with is the launch of your NFT collection. For example, as I opened up the Invisible Friend NFT Twitter as well. So what happens is that you start promoting your NFTs even before they are released on Twitter. So it really helps you with the launch, because Twitter has the audience, and when it comes to NFTs and when it comes to crypto, it's really active. And all of the audience, it has millions of users using Twitter every day. So what happens is you approach these users, you promote your NFTs before their launch, right? And you get the followers. Let's say you got maybe 5,000 followers, or maybe 10k or 20k up to. So then these followers become your buyers eventually, because what happens is they kind of like get interest into your NFT, you promote your NFT, and then they simply check your NFT on the platform as well. Because if anybody will check out or come across Invisible Friends on Twitter, they will eventually go to OpenSea and they will open up the collection, and they'll be like, okay, so this is really cool collection, I should keep an eye on this one. And if they were looking to buy any NFT, they will be driven to your collection that you have created. So that is how it helps you with the launch. Then another thing that you can do on Twitter is the giveaway. Giveaways really help you with your NFT collections, and it's really, really important when you create any NFT collection. It's really important that you go ahead and you do giveaways. What happens in the giveaways is that you simply give away any NFT for free, so that you can engage more users to your collection. So there are many giveaways happening on Twitter all the time. So even as a buyer, it really helps you to get free NFTs, and you can actually get hands on one of the best NFTs out there with the giveaways and with the other things as well. So you can see right here, this is actually a giveaway happening right now, and they add their OpenSea or maybe their Discord to for further information, and you can just go ahead and check them out and win a free NFT by doing nothing. And you don't create any NFT, but you get an NFT as a result of a giveaway. Another thing that you can do on Twitter is the announcement. That is really important. We know that when it comes to the collection, we have to do different announcements, all the time. For example, your new launch, maybe your floor price when it comes to new NFTs, if there is any change. So we do announcements, and one of the important roles that Twitter plays is that help you with your announcements. You can actually do announcements on twitter.com. What you have to do is you simply create your own account where you will be adding your NFTs. You simply create a public profile, a Twitter account, and then you will be able to do promotion of your NFT on Twitter. So that's basically how it works. You don't have to kind of go ahead and integrate your Twitter to your OpenSea, or you don't have to create a business account. Not like that. You simply create a public account, and then of course you will get more and more audience with the promotion that you will do. And of course, when we promote NFTs, we sell them as well, because when people will check out the NFTs with your promotion, you will get the audience, you will get the buyers, and then you will be able to sell your NFTs and make money. And this is what most of the collections do. The famous collections on OpenSea or any other platform, they have their Twitter right here. So when you will be creating your own collection, make sure to create your own Twitter account, because it's really, really important. And you should create a Twitter account. You can promote your NFTs with Twitter, and then you can simply sell them online through your OpenSea or maybe your Rarible, any platform that you are using. And if your collection is brand new, then you can also do the promotion before the launch, so people can get an idea about your NFT collection. All of the NFT collections that you ever came across, they all have Twitter, and Twitter plays an important role in this one. And you can simply go ahead and do this promotion for free. You don't have to pay. Twitter is completely free, and it has the audience, and it will really help you with your promotion of your NFT collection, and will help you sell your NFTs to make thousands of dollars. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to get started with twitter.com and how you can promote your NFT collections on twitter.com to sell your NFTs and make money. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.